Morning. I'm making a video of the Trump train today. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm making a video of the Trump train today.
Okay, cool. That's going to take me a little while to get kind of decorated.
That's okay. I got plenty to do. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm making a video of the Trump train today.
Oh, awesome.
About 18 already. So, all right, we'll see y'all there. I've got a silver Chevy Impala.
Okay.
So it's up front on the right. I don't have any flags turned on. 14.
Oh, 14. I thought you said
No, it's no.
Silver.
Silver. That's okay. Listen, you just stay on your medication. Everything's gonna be all right.
I think that medication's what's causing all this.
I know what you're talking about. Morning. I'm making a video of the Trump train today. So I'll be in my car. I have a 360 camera that'll be mounted on the roof of my car. So I'm going to get, everybody's going to be passing me at some point, so everybody gets in the video. So, all right. Good to see you.
Good. My name's Michael.
Michael, I'm Ray Lang. I go by Ted. But,
Nice to meet you.
my pleasure. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Perfect for today, isn't it? See you later. Hey girls. I'm making a video of the Trump train today. So I have a 360 camera. I don't know if you know what that is, but I'm going to be in a car. It'll be mounted on the roof of my car, so I'll get video of everybody as they go by me. So anyway, it ought to be pretty fun. All right, we'll see y'all later. Thank you. Hey guys.
Good morning.
I'm making a video of the Trump train today. Hi, sweetheart, I love your dress.
Thank you.
She's busy. Well, yeah, like I said, I'm making a video of the Trump train today, so.
Okay.
We'll see you out there. How are you, sir? Good, I'm feeling buggy today.
Yeah. I had my flag on my RV like you got set up on the trailer.
Right. Well, I'm making a video of the Trump train today, so I'm just going around saying hi to people. So. You're right. Yeah. Well, this is my first Trump train too, and I'm an amateur photographer, so I wanted to photograph